our Dale's Tool of the Day video for today is on this. The last, I swear guys, this is the last belt sander in the series.
Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Dale's Tool of the Day.
But this is the big Mac Daddy, the workhorse of our welding shop here. This, you can see it's covered in stuff. It gets used hard. Like, there are days where this thing barely shuts off. We use it so hard. We don't use the drum sander a ton, but this belt sander, this is a, I don't know how big these belts are. Are they 3 foot by 6 inch? And we only use coarse because it's all metal, you know. We don't got to make it beautiful finish. We're just knocking off sharp edges because we do a crap load of these plates. They get a U-bolt to hold pipe up, and we have to mount, you know, stuff to them. Well, when you shear them, you can see there's a little sharp dingly thing here. And there's always a sharp dingly thing when you shear stuff. And when you punch stuff, it always leaves a sharp edge. So can't have that. You can't have people using these and getting cut. So takes a minute to spool down. This has got a 1.5 horsepower motor, and the only problem that we've ever had with it is this start switch here. It's got the start stop switch. We had to put the tape on there to keep all the cuttings and filings and stuff from going down and shorting out the contacts on the switches. But this thing has been super cool, and you know, I can't tell you how many thousands of these things. Like, some days you feel like you're a factory worker just sitting there sanding parts non-stop, and it gets old. But this thing does it really fast. It's way faster than using a grinder by hand. And I built this cool little cart. It's got caster wheels. We can wheel it all over the shop and whatnot. And it's got a spot down here, well, used open, oh yeah, for the spare belts. And it's just been a super handy little cabinet that I built out of some scrap metal we had bent out once. Yeah. So that's the Jet belt sander. This thing's super awesome if you ever have to sand a whole bunch of stuff, like a factory. This is the thing to do it. Remember, me and Jesus love you. Talk to you later.